Hello everyone, I'm Ashwini. My project is Nutrigrow using machine learning technique. I have done this project under the guidance of Dr. V. Loganathan, who is the Associate Professor for the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Moving on to the agenda, introduction, statement of the problem, scope of the project, output, results, test cases, conclusion, future work, and references. This project falls under agriculture. Agriculture is a significant contributor to India's economy, accounting for 70 to 80% of the gross domestic product. India ranks second globally in agriculture production. Plants require fertilizers and mineral nutrients to replace the nutrients taken from the soil during growth. Scope of the project. Machine learning is utilized in Nutrigrow to optimize the fertilizer application in agriculture. The machine learning algorithm used analyze the factors like fertilizer composition, climate condition, and crop types to build mathematical methods. Machine learning enables precise nutrient recommendation tailored to specific crops and environmental conditions. Methodology. First starts with the data collection. So the initial phase will involve the gathering of the data required. So this includes the soil composition, climate condition and crop types. Data pre-processing. In data pre-processing, we includes handling missing values, outliers and the noise. When outliers and the noise are present in the data, this will affect the accuracy of our project. So we do data pre-processing. Nutrient identification and model development. This will involve what algorithm to be used to have a efficient accuracy. Web app development. When we have a web app development, this will be helpful for the user. So we can have an interactive phase so that the user can give their input and receive an output. This is the basic methodology and the architecture for the project. So first we have to give the input like crop, state and the city, and this is given to the weather API, and the weather API will give you with 7-day weather forecast. And there is a nutrient recommendation data set, and the output is going to be of nutrient, phosphorus and the potassium content which is required for a particular crop, as well as the 7-day weather forecast and the alert message for 2 days, whether there is going to be heavy rainfall or the weather is okay or the weather is going to be heavy. So this is the class diagram and this is the sequence diagram. First the user, and it goes to the weather API and the best time to fertilize and the nutrient, phosphorus, potassium estimator, as well as it is displayed to the user. So the algorithm we have used is gradient boosting regression. When we talk about machine learning, there comes of two categories. One is the boosting as well as the bagging. So gradient boosting, as per the name, it comes under the boosting methodology. So it is going to boost your accuracy and give you an accurate result. So gradient boosting regression is a powerful machine learning algorithm used for predictive modeling tasks, particularly in regression problems. Why it is a regression problem? A regression problem is something which is going to be of values. When we talk about classification, it is going to be of the type yes or no. It works by sequentially adding weak learners to a model, with each learner focusing on the residuals or errors of the previous one. Gradient boosting regression optimizes the loss functions such as mean squared error by minimizing the errors in the prediction. It is known for its ability to handle complex relationships between features and target variables, making it suitable for applications such as predictive fertilizer consumption and agriculture based on various input factors. This is the hardware and the software selection. Software requirements, operating system Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 9 or Windows 10, and the IDE preferable is Visual Studio. So this is the important code segments. Coming on to the output, so this is how the home page looks like. So on the right side, we have got the home and the crops to navigate. In the crops, you will display the input crops. So on clicking on a specific crop, you can get the information about the crop, on which area it is suitable or which weather is suitable for the particular crop. So this is how where you're going to give your input fields. So first is going to be of your crop like rice, bean, kidney, Bengal gram, kidney bean, lentil, papaya, something, etc. And state. State is like in state you will be able to give like Andaman Nicobar, Tamil Nadu, and in the city you're going to specific the city for the corresponding state. So this is something we have seen in the home page where you have crops. So after clicking on a specific crop rice, you are able to get the information about the rice. So for the chickpea, Tamil Nadu and Chennai, you have this output. So here comes the 7-day weather forecast as well as the warning. It is a heavy rain alert. So this is the code to test the accuracy. So we have achieved the best model accuracy as 0.876, that is 87 percentage, and the best hyperparameters. So conclusion. Nutrigrow optimizes fertilizer application by leveraging machine learning algorithms considering factors like rainfall patterns and crop fertility to enhance the soil fertility and minimize environmental impact. By providing precise guidance on nutrient recommendation tailored to specific crops, Nutrigrow aims to maximize the yield while minimizing the ecological footprint of nutrient leaching, contribute to sustainable agriculture practices. So in the future work, what we can do is that we can have a language selection feature where you can display a drop down menu and you can navigate which language you want, and so that the user can choose their preferred language. So this can give a more knowledge of the agriculture, so who's having a language barrier. So these are the references. So the references I have referred. So they have used the algorithms called random forest regressor. But in this we have used the algorithm called gradient boosting regression to boost the accuracy. As well as we have given the extra information for the crops on which condition it is suitable and which location is suitable. And the third what we have done is that we are also able to predict the heavy temperature. So thanks.